Allie and Bert each have some money. Good for you. Bert has 5/4 as many dollars as Allie has. Ooh, so Bert has a little bit more because 5/4 is a little bit more than 1. Which statement about the amount of money Allie and Bert each have is true? So I'm looking at this. It's words, not a whole lot of math. Let me write down what I just said. Bert has a little bit more than Allie, and that's because 5/4 is bigger than 1. So let's see which one of these matches what we have here. Allie has more money than Bert has. No. Bert has more money than Allie has. Yes. It's really that friendly? All right. Allie and Bert have the same amount of money. No. There is not enough information. No. So I did a bit too much. But that's okay. The answer is B. B for Bert.